and logical consistency. Look at question number 1 to 6. We are looking at questions which are to be solved using the middle term logic. Middle term is basically something that is common between major and minor premise, and the rule says that middle term should not be a part of the conclusion. So likewise, if you look at option number 1 and eliminate all the options, my answer becomes option number 3, B, D, F, which is some nurses are qualified, all nurses are attendants, so my middle term is nurses, and my conclusion is some attendants are qualified. This is the diagram. N represents nurses, A is for attendants, and Q is for qualified. So some attendants are qualified. Second one, if you look at, the answer is ADF, and it's very obvious. Mary is John's wife. Husband and wife dance the last waltz, which is the last dance. So John danced last with Mary, and hence ADF is the perfect fit. Likewise, if you look at the middle term logic, the answer for the third one becomes CDE. All roses are plants, all plants need air, hence all roses need air. The common element was plants, and conclusions between roses and air. This is the diagram. R is for roses, P is for plants, and A is for air. The answer to this, the fourth one, is ADF. Lakshman is a man. No man is an island, so Lakshman is not an island. Fifth one, the answer again is ADF. College students are intelligent. We've learned that if the quantifier is not given, you should assume it to be all. So here I assume all college students are intelligent. Ram goes to college. Ram is an intelligent person. Here we have 4 premises given, 4 questions individually given, and we need to check for which option follows. If I look at option number 1, some x's are p's, some p's are y's, some x's are y's. This does not follow, as I have 2 cases for p's and y's. In one case it would follow and in the other it would not. So A is eliminated. If A is eliminated, A and D is eliminated because they are the options which have A in them. All sonas are bright, some bright are crazy, some sonas are crazy. All sonas are bright and some bright are crazy, but there is no option B mentioned anywhere, so we do not consider B. My answer to this becomes C only. No faith is strong, only strong has biceps. So this is the diagram. No faith is strong, only strong has biceps. So biceps is only with strong, and hence no faith have biceps. Looking at the 7th one, the answer for the 7th one is A and B. And the diagrammatic representation is given here. All girls have teeth, no teeth are yellow, so no girls are yellow. Some icicles are cycles, all cycles are men, so some icicles are men. No sun is not white, no sun is not white, double negatives make a positive, which means all sun are white. So all sun are white, all moon is sun, and hence all moon is white. So A follows. When A follows, either my answer can be A or A and C. If I look at the answer, C does not fit in because C has multiple elements, and bombarding and firing doesn't mean fighting, hence A only. So the diagram for A. 9th, the answer to this is option A and C. A is very evident, but C, again, quantifier assumed to be all. All idiots are bumblers, all bumblers fumble. So all idiots fumble. This is the diagram for the 9th one. Looking at the 10th one, the answer to the 10th one is A. If you look at B, C, and D, doubles is the middle term, and doubles is repeated again and again in all the 3 options, in B, C, and D. So answer is A only. Now we go to logical consistency. We've learned that there are 2 cases with respect to logical consistency. The first is either or, and the second is cause and effect. This question, first question, is a pair of is an example of either or. Either Sam is ill or he is drunk. My answer to this is option B, A. When Sam is not drunk, it means that Sam is ill. Whenever Ram hears of a tragedy, he loses sleep. The cause is Ram hearing of a tragedy. Losing sleep is the effect. We negate the effect first. So Ram did not lose sleep. He did not hear of a tragedy. B. Either the train is late or it is derailed. The answer to this is option B, C. The affirmation of one will be the consistent with the negation of the other and vice versa. So if the train is late, it is not derailed, and if the train is not late, it is derailed. So B, C. When I read a horror story, I have a nightmare. Reading a horror story is the cause. Having a nightmare is the effect. So my answer is C, B. I did not have a nightmare. I did not read a horror story. When I eat berries, I get rashes. Eating berries is the cause. Getting rashes is the effect. I did not eat berries. I did not get rashes. So my answer is C, B. Sorry, B, C, because cause is I did not eat berries. We negate the effect first. So I did not get rashes, I did not eat berries, B, C. Either Sita is sick or she is careless. Again, affirmation of one, negation of the other. Answer is A, D. Whenever Ram gets a swollen nose, Ram eats hamburgers, he gets a swollen nose. My answer to this is B, A. Here, since we cannot mark the answer through negation, we mark the answer through repetition or replication of the logic, which is he eats hamburgers, he gets a swollen nose. Either the employees have no confidence in the management or they are hostile by nature. Be very careful, this is a negative attribute and double negation makes it positive. So my answer is BD. Because affirmation of no confidence is confidence. Whenever Ram reads late into the night, his father beats him up. His father beats him up is the effect. Ram reads it late into the night is the cause. His father does not beat Ram, but that does not mean that he reads early in the morning. So none of the above. All irresponsible parents shout if their children do not covert. Shouting is the effect. Children not coverting is the cause. So all irresponsible parents do not shout. Children covert. Answer is A, B. The bomb will explode if it strikes the ground. If it strikes the ground is the cause. Bomb will explode is the effect. We negate the effect first. The bomb will not explode, which means it did not strike the ground. A, D. Thank you so much, guys.